HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's find and select the settings. Here you need to scroll down and choose system. Right now let's choose here the language and the input right here, and here you can tap the language at the top of the screen. As you can see right now, I'm using English from United States. In order to change language, let's tap add language. Here you should find the full list of available languages that you can use on the following device. In my case, let me switch language from English to Spanish, so let's tap on Español from España, for example, and now you have to place the Español into the first position, and as you can see, the whole list of settings and also apps are in Spanish. So if you would like to go back to previous version, just find and select Ajustes. Then you need to scroll down, tap Sistema, choose here Idioma y Traducción de Texto, tap Idioma from the top of the screen, and let's place English into the first position. That's it. Everything went well. Now you may use the English version of your device. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.